Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Pa is going to make a potato stew with minced meat. Yeah. So I have 3 pieces of potato here. You agak how much you need. But the thing is, after you cut the potato, make sure you actually soak it under water so that it doesn't get oxidized. And I do have approximately 20-30 grams of minced meat here. And I on top, there's some minced garlic as well. Later, we are going to marinate it. And I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to make this dish also. And we will be using this. This is the 13 spice powder. It's like the big brother of 5 spice powder. You can get it online, yeah, from Shopee or Lazada very easily. Now let's start cooking. This dish is very simple, but my daughters, my family loves it a lot. So we are going to start by marinating the meat here. I'm going to give it a little bit of light soy sauce, a little bit of Shao Hsing wine. For those who don't take alcohol, you can just omit the Shao Hsing wine, no need to find replacement. And you want to give it a little bit of white pepper. Mix it up. What you are doing here is practically you are beating water into the meat. This is what Chinese normally say, we call 打水, yeah? So that your meat will not be too dry later. So you want to heat up some oil inside your wok. Once it is heated up, you can put in the garlic and also the minced meat. And you want to spend the next 1-2 minutes to saute your minced meat, yeah? We come back shortly. So this is after approximately 2 minutes sauteing. We can now actually put in the potato. You can actually pan fry your potato a little bit if you like, up to you. That will give you some added flavor. And there are generally two kinds of potato. The one with very smooth skin and the one with very rough skin. The one with very smooth skin is the one that I'm using today, which is easier to stir fry. The one that has a very rough skin, that one you can stick everything very together because those type is very starchy. So this is the less starchy type. No right or wrong which type to use, totally up to you. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of my 13 spice powder, about half teaspoon. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken powder, which you can get it from Shopee Malaysia and Singapore, about 1 teaspoon. Smells really good right now. And you can see some char on the potato. One round of light soy sauce. Bit of light Shao Hsing wine. Oh, super flavorful right now. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water. So just nice to let everything submerge. Now we can add a little bit more other seasoning. I will give it a little bit of oyster sauce. About 1 teaspoon or so. A little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. If you prefer the color to be darker, you can actually put in a bit of the dark soy sauce. Up to you. I'll probably put it towards the end. I'll see how. Now that it is boiling, close it with a lid, put down to medium-low, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure your potato is fully cooked. Now the process we are doing right now is actually called reducing. Now the thing that you need to take note is your water cannot be not enough. Cannot be just nice. It should be a little bit more so that you will allow it to reduce a little bit so that everything will thicken up by itself. If your water is not enough, then actually after about 10 minutes or 10 plus minutes, it may dry out. So you do need to pay attention to the water level. Yeah. If suddenly too dry, you can actually add in more water, like what I just did actually. Right, the potato still has been simmering under medium-low heat for the past about 17-18 minutes. It should be ready because my potato wedges is not very thick today. Just make sure when you try to push it in. Yep, see, you can break easily. It's basically done. All you need to do now is just to use some salt and sugar to adjust to taste if necessary. Yeah, it's basically done. I can actually add a little bit of extra flavor, which is fried garlic. Done. Right, so here's my very simple potato stew with minced meat. You can use minced pork, you can use minced chicken. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. If you prefer darker color, just add dark soy sauce. Bye bye.